Hi, my name's Helen. Welcome to my channel. So I'm here at Wimple Hall, which is a National Trust property in Cambridgeshire, and I'm meeting a friend, but I don't want to miss the opportunity of, I'm calling it collecting without sketching. So I'm not very good at sketching and drawing when I'm out and about with other people, but obviously, I'm very happy to take photographs. So this place is very, very familiar to me. I've known it for many, many, many years. So today my intention is to, try and find things that interest me, that maybe I want to draw or sketch. I thought it would be useful to collect some colour combinations. There's always textures to look at. There'll be seed pods, and I know there'll be some old walls and things like that, so lots of textures. But also shape combinations. So those are the things I think I'm going to be collecting in photographs. But I also thought, because it's autumn, there'll be things that I can pick up. There may be a dropped seed head, or things that have fallen from the trees. Another thing that I don't know whether I'll do today, but I did think, we're out on location where you are with people, you could always do a soundscape. A soundscape can bring back a memory for you. The other thing that I thought I would do is to take videos. I've done sketching from live streams on YouTube before, and they're quite fun. And because the subject is moving, you've got to do it quick. So yeah, so that's my plan for today. So I'm obviously here to spend time with my friend and to go for a walk. She's my walking buddy, and but I didn't want to miss this opportunity, this coming to this lovely place, to not collect some inspiration for some art. So that's my thought there, and yeah, we'll see how we go.